I wrote a 50,000 word novel with Mistral. This is it. Real book, real cover, real word count. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Same prompt, same workflow, the whole thing end to end. If you've been trying to write a book with AI and it keeps falling apart by chapter 3, this process fixes it. First, setup. I'm in Le Chat, Mistral's chat interface. The model I'm using is Mistral Medium 3.5, and it's the one that matters for this workflow because of the 256,000 context window. It's the newest model at this time. 256,000 tokens means I can paste the entire manuscript back into the chat in one shot. That's the whole reason that this works. Now, I'm creating a project so the chat keeps context across sessions. In the project instructions, I'm pasting the rules. This is what shapes every output from here forward. Step 2 is the premise. The premise prompt isn't just give me a story idea. No, we need something much better than that. We need to pressure test the story. So I came with an idea and I asked Mistral to make it better. Here's the full premise on screen. Look at this output. Actually, this sounds like a really fun story idea. Step 3, we're going to create the outline. Now, a lot of AI models these days can do this pretty dang well, but your prompt still matters. 22 chapters with turning points marked, with constraints about what characters learn about the truth, how a character enters and exits. That's the difference between an outline and a story. An outline alone isn't enough, though. We also need a character Bible. Here's my character Bible prompt. What I want to call out is the prompt is designed to produce a corporate villain voice without resorting to cliche corpo speak. Don't skip this one. Even if you're using AI like Mistral to write the novel, you still need a story Bible for story consistency. A lot of AI novels feel hollow without it. And this is the moment where we're actually going to start writing the 22 chapters. And that can feel impossible. But I want you to know that it's not impossible. It's a system. Step 5 is where I'm going to write chapter 1 on Severance package on screen. That's how the book got written.
And honestly, it turned out a lot better than I had even expected. Now, I'm going to speed write the rest of the novel in Work Mode. That's a special mode with Mistral AI that you're seeing right now on screen. It's blazing fast and it's really cool to watch. I can't wait to show you the final results. That's Work Mode, but if you want to go with God Mode, you need AuthorOS.
AuthorOS covers everything from planning a novel to writing it to automating it to editing it to do book promotion to creating websites, book covers, really everything that you need. It's a single purchase, no subscriptions. All future updates are included. This is what saves you the years of trial and error that I burned. The link's in the description. Here it is, the full novel. I'm so excited to share it with you. It's all 22 chapters. I'm going to scroll all the way down. Look at this. That is so cool. Here's some other cool things you can do with Mistral. You can add a final polish. You can do formatting work, alter the length. You can alter the tone, the audience. It's really cool. You can even have your chats and chat output read aloud to you. Now, we're not done yet because step 6 is the revision pass. This is another one you don't really want to skip. After all 22 chapters were done, I pasted the whole manuscript back into Mistral as a single file. 50,000 words. One prompt. This is the move you can't do with a lot of other AI tools because of their context windows, at least not yet. The book on screen right now is what came out of that. It's not a one-shot, it's a workflow. The cover I designed with images too from ChatGPT. The whole book wrote itself with Mistral driving and me steering. Now, a reality check. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. If I really wanted to push this to the next level, I would go through and make very specific manual changes to put this more in my voice and just to improve it. But is this commercial? Could you sell this? Yeah, I think so. It reads like a thriller you'd pick up at the airport, which is exactly what I wanted. The book is not the hard part anymore. Writing a book is kind of solved. The hard part is the workflow, knowing which prompt comes next, knowing what to fix, knowing when to stop. That takes AI writing to AI craft. And that part is still mostly on you. I waited years to write a novel because I thought I needed 3 years from writing to editing because that's what it took me to write by hand, but you don't have to wait that long. Even if you write by hand, AI can really speed up that whole workflow. I'm not the kind of person who just writes novels anymore. I also build workflows, and it turns out that really helps. Maybe you're the same kind of person. Maybe you have a book idea you really want to get written, but you just need some help along the way. Now you have the workflow.